Welcome to my video on mineral lusters. The most basic mineral lusters are either metallic or non-metallic. So, what's a metallic luster? I have a couple of examples here. Here we have a really wonderful chunk of galena and also some pyrite, which you might be familiar with as fool's gold. These both have a metallic luster, which they're metals, so it makes sense. Now let's look at some non-metallic lusters. I have a couple of examples here. So we have quartz and calcite, and both of these have non-metallic lusters. Now when you compare them against my other two samples here, you can see the difference. The quartz reflects the light, but not as metallic-like as the metallic lusters. So, some of the common lusters that you're going to come across are, first of all, there's adamantine. And adamantine lusters can be found in diamonds, here, and rubies, which rubies are the gem version of the mineral corundum. So you can have rubies, sapphires, all corundum. And what characterizes an adamantine luster is very shiny and almost metallic, but not quite. So the next one we're going to talk about is called a glassy luster, which is demonstrated beautifully by this chunk of quartz here. And a glassy luster, you see how it's relatively transparent. That's kind of key when you're looking at a glassy or vitreous luster. Other lusters are resinous or waxy. Now these are a little interesting because you can almost see how it kind of looks like a chunk of wax. But what's really cool about this is that you need more than your eyes. So these are calcite samples. And calcite has this really cool feel to it. It feels kind of soapy. So that can be helpful to you also. And you also have pearly luster, which is demonstrated wonderfully right here by this chunk of plagioclase feldspar. And if you look at something that has a pearly luster, you can almost see through the top layers, and so that kind of helps you to determine what it is. Also, there's an earthy or dull luster that is very easy to discern here in this chrysocolla. And you can see how it's kind of dirty looking and not as shiny. So, to compare, again, at the most extreme scale, you've got the metallic luster, and then the earthy luster, where it really doesn't have much shine at all. And then, recap, also pearly, resinous or waxy, and finally, vitreous or glassy. Hopefully you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Thanks.